Imagine looking up at the sky, and instead of our familiar, comforting sun, you see a churning, fiery monster that fills your entire field of vision. Well, welcome to Curious Orbit. In today's explainer, we're diving into a cosmic mystery that is absolutely going to shatter your perception of our place in the universe. We're talking about an astronomical titan so extreme, it literally pushes the boundaries of human imagination. Seriously, just humor me for a second. What if our sun just suddenly vanished? Poof, gone. And what if it was replaced by a star so incomprehensibly massive that its outer edges didn't just sit in the middle of our solar system, but actually pushed all the way out and swallowed the entire orbit of Jupiter? Just take a second to picture the sheer, terrifying scale of that. I know, it sounds exactly like impossible science fiction, right? Like something straight out of a massive sci-fi blockbuster. But here's the crazy part. This star actually exists. It's called UY Scuti, and it holds the heavyweight title as one of the absolutely largest stars ever discovered by humanity. It's out there, right this very second, burning away in the deep, freezing darkness of space. Now, when we look up at our sun, it feels huge. And to be fair, locally, it kind of is. Our sun actually makes up a whopping 99.8% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Every single planet, asteroid, moon, including the Earth beneath your feet, it all squeezes into that tiny little 0.2% sliver that's left over. But when you zoom out to the grand theater of the universe, our big bad sun is practically a microscopic speck of dust because there are stars out there that make our local life giver look, well, puny. Which brings us to our first section, finding the cosmic giant. Let's look at exactly where this beast is hiding. So this staggering star is located about 9,500 light-years away from Earth. To put that into perspective, the faint light that our deep space telescopes are capturing from UY Scuti today, that light actually started its journey across the cosmos 9.5 millennia ago. That's long before the dawn of modern human civilization. It's incredibly distant, tucked far, far away in the dark depths of our galaxy. More specifically, it lives in a distant constellation known as Scutum. Astronomers have literally spent years pointing our most powerful telescopes toward this exact region, peering through endless thick clouds of cosmic dust just to study this massive red supergiant. They meticulously gathered all this data, trying to somehow wrap their heads around its unbelievable proportions. And what that data finally revealed, well, it was absolutely astonishing. That brings us to section 2, a scale beyond imagination. And honestly, this is where things get truly mind-bending. Okay, remember that hypothetical scenario from earlier? If you literally took UY Scuti and dropped it right into the center of our solar system, its outer surface wouldn't just replace the sun. No, it would stretch violently outward. It would instantly swallow Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. It would push far past Mars, and according to current astronomical estimates, it could reach all the way out to Jupiter. The sheer, unfathomable volume of space that this single object takes up, it completely defies human comprehension. The terrifying reality of a scale like that is absolute. If this cosmic swap were to somehow happen right now, our entire world would simply cease to exist. Our home, all of human history, everything we have ever known or loved would be instantly vaporized, just swallowed deep inside the fiery belly of this star. Let's just look at the raw math for a second. Our own sun has a massive diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers. That's a number that is already insanely hard to wrap your head around, right? But UY Scuti? It is estimated to be more than 1,700 times larger than that. 1,700 times. To put that into a perspective we can actually visualize, I want you to imagine shrinking our mighty, massive sun down so it could fit right in your hands like a standard basketball. Sitting right next to that basketball, UY Scuti wouldn't be a beach ball. It wouldn't even be a hot air balloon. No. Next to a basketball, UY Scuti would be the size of a towering, massive skyscraper. That is the scale we're dealing with here. And just to blow your mind a little bit further, think about flying. If you boarded a standard commercial jet aircraft and somehow managed to fly it right along the equator of UY Scuti, it wouldn't take you a few hours or even a few days. It would take you literal decades of nonstop flying just to complete a single lap around this star. Decades! Just to fly across one single object burning in space. Moving on to section 3, the inevitable supernova. Because something this extreme cannot last forever. You see, UY Scuti is what astronomers call a red supergiant. But you have to understand, this isn't a permanent state for a star. It's actually a temporary, violent, late-stage phase of its life. As a dying star nears the end, it starts to exhaust its internal fuel. The surface begins to cool down, but the star reacts by expanding violently and dramatically outward to these incredible sizes. So while UY Scuti is an absolute giant, it's also an aging, dying one. And because stars that are this uniquely massive burn through their fuel reserves in such extreme, chaotic ways, they actually don't live very long at all in astronomical terms. So UY Scuti is essentially a cosmic ticking time bomb. Eventually and inevitably, it is going to run completely out of fuel. And when that happens, the star will violently collapse under its own immense gravity and then explode outward in a truly spectacular supernova. This catastrophic explosion is going to be one of the most violent events in the entire universe. It'll release such enormous, incomprehensible amounts of energy out into space that for a short time, it might actually outshine entire galaxies that contain billions of regular stars, all from just one star exploding. Which brings us to our final section, our place in the universe. What does all this mean for us? Learning about something like UY Scuti is, quite honestly, a profoundly humbling experience. It is a striking, almost scary reminder of how small we really are in the grand scheme of things. Our entire planet is just a tiny speck. Our massive solar system, just a tiny speck. Even our sprawling galaxy is just one among billions. The universe is far larger, far more extreme, and far stranger than most of us ever realize. And somewhere out there, right now as we speak, UY Scuti just continues to burn in the vast, silent darkness of space. So, it leaves us with this thought. If a single star can make our entire solar system look like a grain of sand on a cosmic beach, what else is hiding out there in the dark? What other mind-bending cosmic mysteries are just waiting for us to uncover? If you want to continue exploring the absolute most extreme objects the universe has to offer, drop a comment below and let me know what impossible giant we should cover next in our next explainer. Make sure to subscribe to Curious Orbit so you never miss out on these journeys. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.